Ever been jolted awake by footsteps from above? Struggling to focus with constant noise distractions? Let's explore how soundproofing can change your life. Arrowzoom acoustic panels are lightweight, affordable, and easy to install. These panels come in various designs, allowing you to maintain your aesthetic while achieving soundproofing. Start by cleaning the surface of your ceiling to ensure the panels adhere properly. Plan your layout to maximize coverage and effectiveness. Attach the panels using adhesive, ensuring a secure fit for optimal soundproofing. It's a simple process that anyone can do. Experience minimized noise distractions, leading to better sleep and improved privacy. Create a more comfortable and peaceful environment for work, study, or relaxation. Imagine a world where footsteps, furniture, movement, and loud music from upstairs are no longer a concern. Soundproofing isn't just about peace. It's about improving sleep, boosting productivity, and enhancing your living environment. Enhance your sleep quality by reducing noise disturbances. Boost productivity in your home office with a quieter environment. Create a peaceful atmosphere for relaxation and creativity.